amesema ikamtoka. Your Excellency, I'll talk 3 things. Number 1, on behalf of the Kisii County Assembly leadership, the Speaker is not here, and the leader majority, because we are the one who vetted Dr. Arege. I sit in that committee, and today I'm here to represent that committee because my colleagues are not here. I want to confirm to you, Your Excellency, that we vetted Dr. Arege and we found him fit to serve in this Kisii County. And Your Excellency, I've sat all through the vetting exercise that we have done, and I can tell you his performance was exemplary, and we present him to you as a committee of appointments that Dr. Arege will do as a good job. When we talked to him, he told us he has done a lot of things, including teaching and also publishing. And he has contributed quite a lot, Your Excellency, to the teaching fraternity. He has given teachers books to use and the students books to read. And that fits very well to the cultural concepts of the Kisii people. Maybe what we asked him to do as a committee, he needs to form in that department Young Writers Association so that he can mentor the young people who want to write. And also, Your Excellency, it's not only young people. Honorable Richmond has talked about Hoffman. Hoffman can also write. And even Nyandoro, you know, Nyandoro was one of the pioneer ward administrators we have here. So you have now a writer, he can mentor you, you can consult with him. And also we talked about sports with him. Unfortunately, he's a supporter of Arsenal and I'm a supporter of Manchester United. We almost differed on that, but I left it to you to decide if you is going to continue supporting. But we said, once he has come here, he will now support Shabana, which is a local club. And also, Your Excellency, one of the tasks we asked him as a committee is to ensure that the county cup that you have been wanting to start will now start working. So we found him fit, and on behalf of the Committee of Appointments and on behalf of the County Assembly, I want to confirm to the people present that Dr. Arege is fit to work for Kisii County. Now, the second point, Your Excellency, is about work. I've been in the Assembly for the last 12 years, and there is work that has begun, but there's a lot more to be done. The Department of Culture, Youth, Sports, Gender has a lot of work. Probably this is one of the departments that touches every person, the young people, the middle-aged, the disability, and also the women. If he works very well with you, Your Excellency, we can touch a lot of people in the county, and they can come up with proposals. We can liaise with the county and also other counties together with the country, and we can be able to do a lot of things. So he can link up with the other counties, and we can start a lot of activities. The third point, Your Excellency, Dr. Arege no mugetutu. Na ninche chairman yaba getutu bonse. Abana babachete banyole nonde incho mugetutu omonene. Uno maine ngobate. And you know it. So on behalf of yaba getutu bonse. That all the MBA mono, Your Excellency, as kwa Dr. Arege gas. That's a confirmation that you have picked the right person from Bogetutu. Na nene historia Bogetutu North. Ntua bagadetwe South no manani balega. bono Dr. Rega kurwa limo ino nero tugiterete umupaka oigwe umumuro tachia koleranga tinga lakini father no arega tenango saluti onero in charge ya Manga Parish bia mono sana father nero ko apapaka tinga yono ora ali na boko gaya na mangana ifata mocho chengoraiga orentere His Excellency report ochobwate Peter yako boko iga muikaranse muligie committee ko gamba mangana ikagara abantu bonse na bamu Your Excellency bugetutu north na renda yejo ari no kero munda gotoka ogusiengi otakomo basi no ari otakomo machoge no ari ogende kirasi aibono oja gutara gosaba na bantu babiri aibono ligie birogo iga kero muchiko gutara asta yo watarire Your Excellency to ba received bugetutu mate politics ya magazeti nero na politics nero I enjoy ground no bono nako wanyete Marani na iwete koreta kware form gakoganya litu koligima lakini nako boli liga iga bantu bate dinchorole wante biri Nairobi kware rosie program totalere ali monyero ward umugaka sokoroliane olenkoro kubarali nere ise bogonko bono bogonko mumuro barale agajakanyoma abakungu 18 bono karo utara monyerero o utara chinyomba 18 ero the most expensive ward asikitutu jaje no bono monyerero mombe kange umumuro tali muwabana bakonyenye mboli karoja gutara na Dr. Rega na bakonyenye ngombe ajaje umukani yo kazi imeanza kogotara limonyerero mwa barali eibono bugongone ari umumuro kumete weta nene oike na kegogi asimukingo inali mukingo ina nero yo mwabo gali omanye gojoje mahatonore monani no geto na busiro mwabo yo wakorere sense umayo cha mahato ko Marani ororo umuntu okorokunga kichana na kibaga ndio mwabo waka na nye numate isimayanga brother lakini karongo gene no ninje na nyenyekea o ngagento na arendera abantu wono toja uwaka chindo toja akakorera oko no tenga bangakire inki bakobori abate abanga torato egeti abate anga torato akende bose wana abantu bamini muratu wa mutoma na semia ke yebere we know your work so that you set the pace for the second term. Your Excellency nche mbwate policy yemo njetini kukwana igoro ya siasa paka chikura chigo cha wika na nyora aba muraba gonchoka na ali bakoligie kero ngabate bijisuku cha tigarete isato mwitu wakwanete naye oroje yemo ya arete ya 2024 ndo tigarete 2025 2026 erinji suku chitigarete gaki ntokora renteru ndagereri umugaba nakorenta ntoko mwagera chinguru nya gotorendere ndagera 2027 father toko kora pasaka uchakera umutije ugatano tumaja ka siasa teko babo umete toko kora siasa nyinge mwakoyo au sinyo kolegas tiatokea ni chimeme to kolegas unabona Your Excellency procurement ye chipara ya elire abantu mbaje tekora tabone abande bakorire gas mo gwanja egasi mne yekoreki egenderere umwako oyo makoli oyo akagendirie eruro chet makoli tenena so bonke gogiali eruro chet akagendirie gali amatobe yaita rero chipara rero asena tai rero tabwati gasi yakora network for the last 2 years there is a lot of great improvement in my ward chipara to akora about 10 movement nero chirichitigarete tigatokore wacha tufanye kazi naende siasa ye aba kuga mono mbali bale isiko bono ntuno otolime Your Excellency ntuto kolegas bona intu kitokuogera mondo yo manambo letinga nginda chieta kororo mondo nde ono Your Excellency nje tinkwenda kororo mondo tali office nkinkumusaba ngakibono ndagende umuntu ole isiko njinkumusaba bo nje ngogenda office yawo asengo sabegenda president ya Kenya bono iganda angeli ngogen ekyara ngo matebi ngegen lakini yo tali president otali governor ingikwana kumusaba abantu bami mo gwanja tokole gasi no mugaba noyo motagete tumusabe bindato mo gwanja boyo mo waka chingo bire lyara iwatole ndare bintu bisai. So your excellency go kolera embure ya tule torigeri obwoya abantu basimekere kibana bosaba n'abantu bami eri akabere chinyagitari cheto your excellency chitarere na okutabiri gondo batele bo fo ibere lirogoro ase enyorole koru na marani to ebintu bisaine abantu bakorere na gokorera chifomu chechi basari your excellency njato etobokong na ndi muna naruga abantu mbande binga oligenchera okoje bali batanyorete chifomu ekiagera problem njale ngo ngenje twachirwa system eri watumiete ntangani ya abantu abakoro kunga community health promoters. It was good, it identified the right people. So nimanyete, you have heard it and you are going to prove what you are going to do. Asa yo ntogo tebenga ongera sana Dr. Rege naende ntogo tebyo mugaba na itumbi ya mona soko mochora ntoko musabera kole gasiengia lakini wimbo mbaya au imbi mototo oyo no magani ochete tiga mangana impeachment bona iga motebi tiga kole gasi yoso nimanyete nonya no mugaba na last time necessary konyora taramanya lakini bono he has known. So nimanyete ngumo muroyo atafanya kazi nzuri iwo Dr. Rege to bano bwoba oyo gago tebi ngokore gasi amangana impeachment yeyo ne terminology ito ya bunge lakini ayege ntaro tebi nga ufanye kazi asa yama katiko tigera